Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to use Love2shop gift card online. Let's begin. Now, Love2shop gift cards can be used at a variety of popular retailers both online and in-store, offering flexibility in where you can shop. And of course, you can always shop online anytime from anywhere, making it convenient to redeem the gift card without needing to visit physical stores. All you have to do is choose the Love2shop gift card that you wanted. For example, I'm gonna choose this one, Love2shop gift card. And when you click on where to spend, you would be able to see that it is usually a straightforward and can be done during the checkout process on the retailer's website. All right. Now from here, you can use it in Argos. We have a separate video about Argos and how to redeem a one for all card. And as you can see, these are the stores that you can use Love2shop. All right. American Golf, Barclays Diamonds, Beaver Brooks, and a lot more. Now, when you click on the view where to spend online, now this may seem a lot because these are the online stores that you can use the Love2shop. We're going to skip that because if you plan to send the Love2shop gift card as a gift, using it online allows for immediate redemption and selection for a gift that suits your preferences. For now, you can choose a value of 10, 25, 50. You can add a message, all right? And the sender name. And of course, you can choose an e-greetings card, and all you're gonna do is go to the checkout once again and provide as much as details as you can. For example, you're ordering between these numbers. And after that, the last step that you need to do is, this is where you can use the Love2shop gift card online, okay? You can manage, activate, and spend the Love2shop card or gift card that you have previously received from anyone or you had sent to. Click on this button. Now, this is very important because all they're gonna do is provide your email address, your password so you can log into your account, and of course, use the Love2shop gift card online, all right? Now, if you encounter any problems activating a card, you can always go to the contact us option here at the bottom because sometimes the website is down or the system is down, or if you're using the Love2shop app, it's a little bit buggy, so you might want to check on the customer support to give you more insights on how to use Love2shop gift card online. These are the platforms. You can contact them here on the number and you can send them an email. All right, thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.